Do you find yourself tripping over shoes the moment you walk through the door? No, just me? My name is Kate with WTI, and you're absolutely going to love this shoe storage cabinet from Algherohein. This is in a gorgeous walnut finish. I get so many compliments from everybody who walks into my home. They love this cabinet. It's so pretty. It has two tilt-out doors, and inside you can keep a whole bunch of shoes. So it has two different rows which are adjustable. I fit sneakers, flip-flops, even wedge heels in here, so that's pretty awesome. I'm able to put 4 pairs of shoes per shelf, but you can adjust depending on the size of your shoes. Some of them are stackable, so you may be able to put a lot more in here. Now, this doesn't just have to be for shoe storage, although it is ideal because it has the nice louver doors, which provide ventilation. But I've also liked putting board games in here or puzzles, even folders or portfolios that I use for work. So it can be used for all kinds of things. It's nice and narrow, so it doesn't take up a whole lot of room, but its high-end look will definitely elevate your space. I think you will love it, and you'll love not tripping on shoes anymore. That's my point of view.